everyone and welcome to Candy Creations Easter Edition. My name is Candice and today we are going to make an Easter goodie basket filled with treats. Let's get crafted. So guys, our basket is going to be the tin and the bunny I'm going to put behind the tin, so it's going to look like the bunny is holding the tin as a basket. So I'm just averaging the size of my bunny to the size of my tin, and because my printer isn't working very well, I'm going to trace out this bunny and then cut it out on some board. So I'm applying my tracing paper and then I'm just going to trace out the bunny. Right, so now that I'm finished with my bunny head, I'm going to put the hands and the feet separate because they're going to be cut out separately. So I'm just utilizing what space I have here. Right, I only did one hand and one foot because they're both identical. So I'm going to go ahead now and trace this out on my board and then cut it out. Now if you guys want this exact image, I would link it below in the comment section. So guys, I have here my bunny that I just traced out along with some carbon paper to transfer the image and some cornflakes box. I tend to save these things from time to time, and it's going to make a good support for my bunny to stand up behind my tin. Okay guys, so here's what when you finish trace, this is what it should look like. I added a body to the bunny so that it can support behind my can. I kind of measured it with average size to the can and just drew an oval. And so now I'm going to cut this out and make another one because I know my husband is going to want one as well. Okay guys, so now that we're finished with all our painting, I'm now going to stick the bunnies onto the can. The back goes like that, and then the feet come in front like this. And well, you get the picture by now. Okay guys, so now that my tin is all stuck, I'm going to make a name tag in the shape of an Easter egg. So I'm just going to make a simple oval, and I'll cut that out, put a hook and then tie it with some twine. Alright guys, now time for the sweet part. So I using what I have in my fridge, so I don't have to go out to the grocery store. I have some kisses and some Ferrero Rocher, but the kisses aren't very colorful. So to add a pop of color, I'm going to use these tissue paper, wrap the kisses, and then they look a little more festive. Okay, so since I don't have a lot of candy to fill the tin, I'm going to stuff it until it's high enough so that I can just put my chocolates just to the top of it here, and it will look like it's to the top. You guys, I almost forgot the whiskers on the bunny. But at this point, you could probably just draw on some whiskers and that'd be fine. But I found this courier broom, and I thought how fun would it be to take the ends of the courier broom and make whiskers with them. So I'm gonna cut them out and paint them, and we'll see how that looks. Okay guys, so I'm so pleased with how everything turned out. Even the little whiskers I added last minute onto the bunnies, I find they came out so cute and it looks natural. I just can't wait to open these treats on Easter. So everybody, thank you for watching, and God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.